Welcome to Gradall Industries, home of world-famous Vacall vacuum and jetting machines, as well as Gradall excavators and the Gradall FA fire apparatus, a place where ingenuity works every single day. How does Gradall Industries define ingenuity? It's a commitment that has long-time roots in the heartland of America. It involves people with a quality work ethic, using their unique skills to unleash new ideas and devise unique solutions to meet the needs of our markets.
It's a commitment that goes back to about 1944, when the first Gradall excavator was invented out of a crying need for ingenuity. At that time, American manpower had been rechanneled to manufacture armaments for World War II and diverting labor that was badly needed by road contractors to dig trenches, grade slopes, or load trucks. 10 years later, Central Engineering introduced the first Vacall sweepers and catch basin cleaners to meet the needs of both contractors and governments. Leach Corporation took over the line in 1986 and added combination sewer cleaners to the Vacall collection. These machines could jet water to break up sewer line blockages and then vacuum out the water and debris. That was a big productivity breakthrough for the industry. But it really wasn't until 1992 that the Vacall branded jet vac models were heavily marketed under the ownership of Clean Earth. In 2006, Gradall Industries took over the Vacall collection and began to apply our engineering and manufacturing expertise to totally refine the machines. And as a result, today we are creating greatly enhanced Vacall models that deliver industry-leading jetting and vacuum power, even greater durability, and greatly improved factory-backed support.
Vacall machines are manufactured only in America at the Gradall Industries facilities in New Philadelphia, Ohio. With 485,000 square feet under roof and a 65-acre test site, Gradall designs and manufactures Vacall products that meet and even exceed global standards for quality and the expectation of equipment life. New Philadelphia also is the base for Vacall sales, product distributor support, and our administrative functions. We believe it's the most fertile location for our innovative equipment ideas, so we don't plan to follow other equipment manufacturers offshore. Fortunately, it's an American commitment that's also been shared by Gradall's 9 different owners over the years, including our current parent company, the Alamo Group.
We are also consistent with our belief that each and every Vacall model will reflect the spirit of ingenuity and productivity behind all Gradall Industries products. As a result, today's Vacall machines are also known globally for their unique simplicity of operation and their ease of maintenance. By design and as a result of our approach to manufacturing, they also now set new industry standards for durability and power.
That's a difference that's always been recognized by our core markets, contractors, and governments. And because of our loyalty to these customers, we continually strive to improve products to meet their needs.
After Vacall was acquired in 2006, Gradall immediately set out to redesign the entire collection of Vacall products, resulting in the introduction of the Vacall series models. These are our all-jet vac, all-excavate, all-vac, all-jet, all-sweep, and all-catch models. All of them distinguished from other brands by their durability, simplified productivity, and valuable versatility. We also have a Clean That Works package of standard advantages that is unmatched in the industry. It includes machines that operate with 1 engine instead of 2, our state-of-the-art performance smart controls that are standard, and we have lifetime warranties that cover our water and debris tanks. These are advantages that are in tune with today's need for sustainable products that can deliver more productivity while reducing harmful emissions and conserving fuel consumption.
We are also particularly proud of our revolutionary recycler option for our all-jet vac sewer cleaning machines. This design allows machines to vacuum water and debris from sewer lines and put it through a 5-step filtering process. Then the machine reuses the water to continue jetting all day long. With our recycler advantage, you get greater sewer cleaning productivity because there's no need to stop work and leave the job to refill water tanks. And in a year's time, one machine can save millions of gallons of processed water.
The recycler option is available only on Vacall all-jet vac combination sewer cleaners. Using powerful jetting action and superior vacuum power, contractors and governments efficiently use all-jet vac machines to maintain sewer lines and open up blockages all day long. Another sewer cleaning machine is our all-jet model, an easy-to-use tool designed for tight municipal budgets. Even inexperienced Vacall operators can be productive with this high-powered, highly productive jetting machine. Our all-excavate models use high-performance jetting and vacuum power for hydro-excavation. That's a demanding but delicate job when there's a need to remove dirt and material around underground gas, water, and electrical lines. For extra productivity, all excavate models have a high dump option that raises, shifts, and tilts the debris tank so it can offload into roll-off containers. Vacall all-sweep machines have the industry's greatest vacuum power and the widest sweeping path. Those advantages enhance the versatility of these sweepers, so they can clear away everything from litter on roads and in parking lots to asphalt millings on road construction sites. They even have a catch basin cleaner option, or we have a dedicated all-catch machine that cleans up bricks, leaves, stones, cans, and other materials that collect in ditches and catch basins. For industrial markets, we have a collection of highly durable all-vac vacuum loaders. These models are designed to collect and remove both wet and dry material in heavy industries like steel mills and cement plants, or for environmental cleanup work.
We are able to efficiently deliver and support these models with a dedicated network of equipment distributors that has been assembled over the years. To become a qualified distributor, these companies have to commit to not only selling and delivering Vacall machines, but also to providing factory-backed parts and service in a convenient, timely manner to our customers.
At Gradall, we define excellence from the customer's perspective. That's why our manufacturing philosophies and processes are tightly focused on providing world-class quality at the best possible cost.
To achieve this level of quality, Gradall incorporates a vertically integrated approach to our manufacturing machines. From start to finish, we control the manufacturing every step of the way. Our process starts with raw materials, high grades of steel and aluminum, so we can manufacture our own parts and a lot of our own attachments. That way, we can control our supply chain, properly manage our inventory levels, and ultimately save money to positively affect the price our customers pay.
High-quality steel arrives at Gradall in large sheets from U.S. steel mills. This sets the foundation for our manufacturing process. In-house robotic laser and plasma cutting operations work around the clock to cut large sheets into smaller parts that are passed along to our assembly lines. CNC roll equipment and press brakes use up to 800 tons of pressure to bend and form our raw materials into precise shapes as our equipment components start to come together. Welding is one of our core competencies, and we do it with a team of 50 welders and 6 robotic welding machines. One of our robotic machines is among the largest in the U.S., handling pieces up to 40,000 pounds and as long as 40 feet. Machining is another core competency at Gradall, using 7 CNC machine centers. This gives us excellent repeatability and quality tolerance, as close as 1/2 of 1,000th of an inch. The Gradall paint department is state-of-the-art, applying corrosion-resistant powder coating before assembly. 2 automated booths, heated to 450 degrees, apply the durable finish that must also meet very close tolerances.
Gradall plant employees are members of the International Association of Machinists and Aerospace Workers, which has a good, long-time relationship with the company. It's not unusual to find people here with 20, 30, or even 40 years on the job. But one of the things we have in common is a commitment to do the job correctly in a timely manner every time.
Multiple assembly lines and sub-assembly areas turn out finished machines around the clock. While we continue to manufacture a lot of our own parts, some technical components are sourced from outside suppliers, well-respected brand names that work hand-in-hand with our design engineers.
Assembling an excavator typically takes about 3 weeks, and a Vacall sweeper cleaning machine takes up to 4 weeks. All continuously documented to meet rigid Gradall engineering specifications and using regimented assembly practices.
Our final test department inspects each machine for defects, setting the correct hydraulic pressures and making sure every function on every machine works properly. For every Vacall machine, we do about 32 hours of testing, including water flow and blowing forces. For every excavator, testing also involves 16 hours of operating, testing, and digging. Overall, our approach also allows us to achieve a higher level of quality and hit important efficiency standards. We have a quality policy that commits us to on-time delivery of defect-free products using an ISO 9001 management system, and the result delivers big benefits for customers who demand highly productive, defect-free machines produced at the lowest possible cost.
Long after the sale, we have a serious commitment to make sure each of our machines delivers a long service life. That's why we maintain a staff of experienced in-house service reps to answer questions and meet the needs of our customers and our distributors all over the world.
On a routine basis, we supply an up-to-date collection of parts and service manuals to distributors and owners, and when they are needed, we are very good at either making or finding service parts for older models. We also maintain several websites where customers can register their machines and download important support materials when they want them. One more way we make sure the Gradall experience is a positive one.
For around 3/4 of a century, our company has distinguished itself with unique, productive products that meet our customers' needs. Gradall Industries is committed to designing, building, and supporting machines that will do more and do it more efficiently every day in the markets we serve. That is something we will continue to do.
We will constantly evolve and improve our processes and our products to meet new challenges and new opportunities in our markets. We will continue our leadership role in our community, being a good corporate citizen and employer. And we will never lose sight of the most important component in our many years of success, our loyal customers, who are as proud as we are to be associated with Gradall Industries brands, including our productive Vacall machines.